You can link your Cricut cartridges to Cricut Design Space in a few simple steps. Start by making sure you are logged into the Cricut account you want your cartridge linked to. Remember, cartridges can only be linked to one account, and once they're linked, you can't undo that action or change the account you've linked them to. To begin, click on your name in the green box located in the top left of your screen. Select the Cartridge Linking option in the dropdown. The Link Cartridge window will open, prompting you to insert your cartridge. Locate the cartridge port on your Cricut Explore machine. Press the cartridge down firmly into the port until it locks in place. Then, click on the Link Cartridge button located in the bottom right of the window. You will see a message on screen once the cartridge has been linked successfully. If you would like to link another cartridge to your account, simply repeat the process with a new cartridge. When you are finished linking your cartridges, close the Link Cartridge window by clicking on the X on the top right of the box. You can find your linked content by searching for the name of the cartridge under My Image Sets, found in the Insert Images window. By linking your Cricut cartridges, you can access your images digitally, making it easy to go from inspiration to creation in just a few clicks.